Hi, welcome to Easy Learning. Our today's topic is about graphs. We can also call them charts. What is a graph? A graph is a diagram that represents the variation of a variable in comparison with that of one or more other variables. There are different types of graphs. Some of them I have mentioned here: pictograph, bar graph, pie chart. We can also call it circle graph. In my today's video, I will talk about pictograph. Pictograph. Pictograph is a graph that uses pictures or symbols to represent data. Here is an example of a pictograph. In this pictograph, we are using the pictures of goldfish which are representing the data. How many goldfish Meena has? Let me write the total number in digits. 1, 2, 3. Meena has 3 goldfish. How many goldfish Emily has? Emily has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6. How many goldfish Nick has? Nick has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have explained you this pictograph. Let's see what are the questions. The first question is, Meena has more or fewer goldfish than Emily. We have to pick one, either more or either fewer. So Meena has how many goldfish? 3. 3. Emily has how many goldfish? Emily has 6. Right. So Meena has more or fewer? Meena has fewer goldfish than Emily. Now the second question is, Nick needs more or fewer fish to have as many as Emily has. How many goldfish Nick has? 5. How many goldfish Emily has? 6. Nick needs more fish to have as many as Emily has. Here we have another pictograph. First we'll understand this pictograph and then we will use this pictograph to solve these 5 questions. This pictograph shows how many books these 5 students, checked out of a library in 1 year. And in this graph, 1 book is equal to 5 books. So Jen checked out 5 plus 5, 10 books. So I'm going to write 10 here. Tariq checked out 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. He checked out 30 books in a year. Uni checked out 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. So 40 here. Sam checked out 5, 10, 15. Right, so 15, and at the end, Fred, 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to write 20 here. Now solve all these questions. The first question is, write an addition and a subtraction equation that compare the number of books Tariq checked out to the number of books Sam checked out. In the first question, we have to write 2 equations, one addition, another subtraction. Here I'm going to use T for Tariq and S for Sam. So the first equation, I'm going to show my work on this side. So Tariq, compare these 2 columns. Tariq, 30 books, Sam, 15 books. So Tariq, he checked out 30 books. So Tariq's books is equal to Sam's books, which are 15 plus 15. So my first equation will be T equal to S plus 15. Now I have to find a subtraction equation from this equation. As you know that whatever we do on one side of the equation, we can do the same thing on the other side of the equation. Like if I want to find out the books for Sam, so what I will do, I will subtract 15 from both sides, t minus 15 and s plus 15 minus 15. So when I'll subtract 15 minus 15 on this side, these two will be cancelled, and here I just have s and t minus 15. So my next equations, a subtraction equation will be, I'm going to switch this s on the left side, s equal to t minus 15. So this will be my addition equation and this will be my subtraction equation. So I'm going to write these two equations over here. T is equal to s plus 15 and another equation is s is equal to t minus 15. Let's verify these two equations by putting the values. T for Tariq is equal to S. How many books Sam checked out? 15 books. So 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. So Tariq checked out 30 books. So I have checked, verified this equation. Now move on to the subtraction equation. In this equation, Sam checked out books is equal to Tariq's books minus 15. Tariq checked out 30 books. So 30 minus 15 is equal to 15. So S is equal to 15. Sam checked out 15 books. Yes, correct. In second question, write a multiplication equation and a division equation that compare the number of books Jen checked out to the number of books Uni checked out. So we are going to compare Jen. Jen checked out 10 books and Uni checked out 40 books. So we have to write two equations, one multiplication, another division equation. I'm going to use this side to show my work. So here I'm going to use J for Jen and Y for Uni. So Jen checked out 10 books and Uni checked out 40 books. So how can I make this equation? If I'll divide 40 divided by 4, so the answer of this side of the equation will be 10. 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. Let me put the value and verify it. So here yes. So J equal to 10. So this will be my first division equation. Now I'm going to find another equation which will be the multiplication equation from this one. As you know that the operation which we do on one side of the equation, we do the same operation on the other side of the equation. So I'm going to use this equation, J equal to Y divided by 4. If I multiply both sides of the equation by 4, I can write Y divided by 4 like this. And I'm multiplying 4 on both sides. So Y divided by 4 multiplied by 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So here I have Y and J is multiplying by 4. J multiplied by 4. So let me write it again. J. Yes. So let's put the values. Y. Uni checked out 40 books. And Jen checked out 10 books. 10 times 4. 10 times 4 is equal to 40. Here I go. So my first equation will be J is equal to Y divided by 4. And my second equation, which will be the multiplication equation, will be Y is equal to J times 4. Third question. Uni checked out twice as many books as which student? Uni checked out twice as many books. Uni checked out 40 books. So she checked out twice as many books. If I'll write Y for Uni, and 2 times what? I'll get Uni books. She checked out 40 books. 2 times what is 40? 2 times 5, 10, 15, yes, 2 times 20. So 2 times F. 2 times F is equal to 40. So this means Uni checked out twice as many books as which student? She checked out twice as many books as Fred, because Fred checked out 20 books and 2 times 20 is equal to 40. In fourth question, which students checked out 30 fewer books than Uni? So Uni checked out 40 books. So if I subtract 30 from this, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So if I subtract all these, so which student checked out 30 fewer books than Uni? So these two, I left these two. So 5 plus 5, 10. So yes, Jen has. So I'm going to write Jen here. Question 5. The number of books David checked out is not shown. Yes, they didn't show us David's checked out books. If Sam checked out 10 more books than David, right? How many books did David check out? So if Sam checked out 10 more books than David, Sam checked out 10 more books. So this means 5 and 5. If Sam checked out 10 more books, right? This means this one and this one. So how many books did David check out? So David checked out just 5 books, because here 1 book is equal to 5 books. In this video, we learned about pictograph, how we use symbols and pictures to represent data. And we also learned how we make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division equation by comparing the data in a pictograph. In my next video, we'll learn about bar graph and pie chart. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share it, like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.